Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by signing into the Google account you'll use. Make sure you can access your Photos folder immediately. Once signed in, open Photos. Google. Calm and keep your folder visible so you can drag or select quickly. You want to avoid switching accounts mid-upload, so verify storage and account limits first. Then choose Upload and select the specific images or the whole folder. This first move establishes file paths and avoids duplicates, making the rest of the workflow smooth. Now you perform the core transfer. Drag and drop or use Upload Computer to add files. While uploading, pick original quality if you need full resolution or high quality if you prefer storage savings. This choice matters for quota. Once files are on Google Photos, create an album and move those items into it so organization is immediate. You can also add descriptions and simple titles to aid search. This middle step prevents messy libraries and improves retrieval later. Finish by confirming every image shows fully in the album and checking thumbnails for corruption. Once done, enable backup and sync on your phone or desktop app to keep future photos flowing automatically. This ensures continuity without manual uploads. If an image failed, make sure file size and type are supported, clear browser cache, or retry in incognito. If problems persist, re-export the image or compress slightly and upload again. These final checks secure a reliable photo.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.